Spencer, what the fuck, Spencer?
Spencer, what the fuck? Spencer, what is wrong with your head, bro? Spencer, a cow onesie. Like, Spencer, you need help. Bro, how much does this thing cost? Like $60? This is so hot. Alright, mods. Mods, ban everybody in the chat. It's tight, bro. I can't even fit in this. Don't type, of course. Chat, I can't even fit in this thing. I can't even fit. I can't fit in this thing. Now, how do I set up the udders? Do they just... This is how... I mean, Spencer, like... Bro, Spencer, I'm not even kidding. I genuinely think there's something wrong with you. Spencer, like, I genuinely think there's something wrong.